Good evening, everyone. I'm meteorologist Catie McNeil. You've now clicked on the Weather Now link, and let's jump right into it. Taking a look at our temperatures across the area, actually warming up a little bit, becoming a little bit milder, and this is ahead of this coastal system that's coming onshore now with some showers just starting to move through the area here. You see these temperature differences where the greens are popping up, kind of where you're seeing more humid and moist air entering the area. 51 right now in Groton compared to the 43 that we're seeing in Providence. And this will lead to an overall milder day on Monday as well, although with skies clearing drastically towards Monday night, we're going to see another big temperature shift with much colder temperatures overnight on Monday. So let's take a look at what we're tracking right now. So as I mentioned, some rain already starting to move through the area from this coastal system. That's going to be impacting us overnight tonight. A lot of moisture here to our south and west, and this is going to kind of continue to track through our area over the next several hours. The good news is model guidance so far showing that any rain coming through from this system is expected to move out of the area fairly quickly here. Already by around 5, 6 in the morning, the majority of this system has moved offshore. And let's take a look at the timing of that in just a second. Threat tracker for tonight is going to be at medium. Bump that up a little bit just because of especially that coastal threat. There is a coastal flooding advisory in place right now, as well as a gale warning, especially out towards the sounds associated with this system. But again, by Monday morning, conditions already improving a lot very drastically rather. So we're going to keep the threat tracker at low for both Monday and Tuesday following the system moving out of the area overnight tonight. Let's take a look at your hour by hour here where you see the system moving through. And we're going to continue to see rain from this into the overnight tonight with heavy rain expected at times. You see some of these oranges and yellows moving through. But look at how quickly this already starts to move out of the area. So still windy with some clouds lingering for the start of your Monday morning as you're leaving the house. And the clouds aren't going to completely exit the area. We are expecting some mix of clouds on and off throughout the day here. But conditions already drastically improving after this system as we head towards the afternoon and evening hours here, with highs sticking in the more kind of seasonably to mild category in the upper 40s. After sunset, though, going to see a big difference. Temperatures already shifting and heading back down into the low 30s and upper 20s. Let's take a look at your forecast for tonight. Again, we're expecting gusty winds and heavy rain at times, but the good news is most of this rain is expected to already be out of the area by 3, 4 in the morning here. So for the start of your Monday morning, going to keep 7 a.m. right around 20% for the chance for a lingering shower or two. But after that, looking a lot drier for the rest of your morning and afternoon. So should be a pretty easy commute here, despite the roads maybe still being a little bit wet from the leftover rain. Any localized flooding or issues that we're seeing from the system will stay into the overnight hours and be gone by the start to your day if you're leaving around 7, 8 a.m. Monday morning. Your afternoon looking clear as well, with those temperatures starting to drop into the mid and lower 40s after sunset. And as always, you can get your full forecast anytime at WPRI.com.